Yeah, hi guys, welcome back to Forever Pathfinder. Myself, Subnetting Guru Krishna Sinha, a CCNA trainer. So in this video, I am going to complete the assessment for today's session. So as we all know that we have completed the IP addressing, the basics of networking, what is the range of class A, class B, class C, what is the subnet mask, how to convert a subnet mask from a CIDR value, what is private IP address range, what is the public IP address range, what is classful IP address and what is classless IP address. So guys, if you have not attended today's session, you can download the assessment link from the given description, and also the entire session video link is also given in the description. If you want to see the video, you can go through that link. So let us start, and we can see here like we have 20 questions here for this assessment. We have to identify the IP address which is given here, it is of which class, and we have to write the subnet mask as per the CIDR value. Then we have to identify if it is a private IP address or the public IP address. Then we also need to identify if it is a classful or the classless. So very first thing which I am going to explain you once again, class A, B and C. The range of class A, B, C is in the first octet. If the value is between 1 to 126, it is of class A. For B, it's 128 to 191, and for C, it should be 192 to 223. So this is the complete range of class A, B and C. What is the private range? What is the private range for class A? 10.0.0.0 to 10.255.255.255. For class B, it is 172.16.0.0 to 172.31.255.255. And for class C, it is 192.168.0.0 to 192.168.255.255. So we know the class A, B, C range, we know the private range of each classes, and what is classful address, what is classless address. For class A, if it is 8, then it will be classful. The definition is IP address with default subnet mask is always a classful IP address, and IP address with customized subnet mask will be classless IP address. So for class B, we all know that 16 is the default one, and for class C 24. So this is the basic. Now let us check what would be the answer for each and every questions. So here we go. The first question is IP address which we have is 191.54. So as we can see here in the first octet it's 191. It means it is a class B IP address. Okay. Now subnet mask, as the subnet mask the CIDR value is 24, it means 255.255.255.0. Is it a private IP address? No. For class B, what is the range for private? 172.16.0.0 to 172.31.255.255. So it is a public. Let me write. Okay. And is it a classful or the classless? So for class B, the default bit would be 16, but here is 24, so it is a classless. Now come to the second. Here we go. IP address is 172.15. 172 again. 172 means class B IP address. Subnet mask 16-bit 255.255.0.0. Is it a private? No. The private range for class B starts from 172.16. But here we have 15 in the second octet. So it's a public. Is it a classful or classless? Classful. Now, come to the third question. 10.25.156.26. 10, starting 10. The first octet is 10, it means class A. We have subnet mask 16 bit 255.255.0.0. Is it a private or public? Yes, it's starting with 10. It means it's a private. Okay. Is it a classful or classless? As it's a class A IP address, it should have 8 bits for default, but we have a customized one, so it's a classless. Okay. Now, come to the next one. 122. Again, 122. First octet varies between 1 to 126, means class A. 27. CIDR value 27 means first octet 8, 255, second octet 8, 255, third octet 8, 255. Now we have 24 bits full. Remaining 25, 26, 27. 3. Golden rule number 2. What would be the value of 3 octet? 128 plus 64 plus 32. 224. Okay. Now, is it a private or the public? As it's starting from 1 to 2, so it's a public. Because for A, it should be from 10.0.0.0 to 10.255. Now it's a classful or classless? Definitely it's classless. Come to the next question. 172.22.11.13. 172. Again 172 means class B. Subnet mask 23 bit 255.255.23 bit. In the third octet we have 7 bits on. 7 bits means 254.0. Okay. Now it's a public or the private. Definitely, like, the range of the private is for class B 172.16 to 172.31. So it varies between that. So it means it's a private. Is it a classful or the classless? Definitely it's a classless. Now come to the next question. 182. 182. Class B. 26 255.255.255.192. It's a private or the public? Public. And it's a classful or the classless? Classless. 10 means class A. 20 255.240.0. Private, public, private, and classless. I hope you are getting. 172.26 again class B. 255.255.255.192. Private or public? It's a private and classless. Okay. Come to next question. 112.28. 112.28 class A. 23 bit 255.254.0. Private, public. It's a starting with 112. So public, and it is a classful or the classless? Classless. Now 192 class C. 255 27 bit 3 to 24. Public or private? 192.168. It means it's a private. Classful or the classless? It's a classless. 102 class A. 26 255.192. Is it a private or the public? starting from 102, so it's a public, classful or classless, classless. Now 126.52, 126 means class A, 8-bit 255.0.0.0. It's a private or the public, as it's a class A IP address with a default subnet mask, so it will be classful. 172.15 class B, 18 255.255. We have 8 and 8 16, remaining 2 192.0. Private or public, 172.15. It's a public because start from 16 to 31, and it's a classful or the classless, classless. Here we have 10.255 class A, and subnet mask 12 bits 255.8 and 4. 4 means 240.0.0. It's a public or private. It's a 10, so it's a private. Okay, it's a classful or classless, classless. Next question, 122 class A, subnet mask 255.255.255.0. It's a private or the public, 122, so it's a public, classful or classless, classless. 172.12 class B, subnet mask 255.255.255.240. Public or private, 172.12 public, and it's a classless. 182 class B, subnet mask 255.255.8 and 8 16, remaining 6, so it would be 252.0. Private or public, and it's a classless. Okay, 10A, subnet mask 255.255.255.128. Then it's a private, classful or classless, classless. 72A, subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Private or public, it is a 72, public and classless. 128 class B. Okay, and subnet mask 255.255.255.192. Public or private, it's a public, and the classless or the classful, it's classless. That's it. So guys, I hope you all understand how it's going here. Please make sure you note this thing to identify the private range of class A, B, C, and what is the range of class A, B, C, what is the default CIDR value or the subnet mask for class A, class B, and class C. So I hope you learn a lot from this session. See you in next video. Thank you so much. Please like this video, share this video to all your networking lovers, CCNA beginners, and all your friends whoever wants to do CCNA. And don't forget to subscribe this video or this channel. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye and take care. See you in next video.